Hey everyone, and welcome to the fourth video of this little mini series of setting up your new Yanda account on the beta Yanda 2.0. Now, in the previous videos, we have gone over creating the account, connecting your first API, and also we went over the different membership types that we've got. And I also showed you our latest offer where you can get a lifetime access to Yanda. So if you're planning on using us for more than 2.5 years and automating your trading and taking more advantage of the crypto markets, then you should definitely take a look at that one and take the opportunity now, because that one will probably end at the end of September when we come off of beta. So I'm going to put the link down in the description to all three of those videos. And this special offer, I'll put a little description of more about what it's about in the description too for you. So in this one, I'm going to show you the new paths, the new automated trading dashboard, and show you how to create a trade in there. So as you can see, we've got a whole new dashboard, and we've got a new cool menu. And I'm going to go to the personal automated trading software here. And as you can see, we've got a whole new dashboard and layout. It still works fairly the same as it was before. We just changed things around a little bit for some better user experience and to make it look and feel even more like a professional dashboard. So up here, we've got the charts, and we've got our order book trend and Yanda prediction of what the market could do. You can convert Ether to BTC or any other currency just by put it in here, then saying convert. You can set email alerts. You can do market limit buys, market limit sells. At the bottom here, you'll be able to see all your open strategies, open orders, and the fills. Well, at the moment, we haven't got any because I haven't created a bot yet. So if we go back up to the top, you can see this come onto Binance because that's the API that I've got connected at the moment. But we do have other trading exchanges available. They're saying not active because I've only connected Binance. Now, if you wanted to create a bot using a different pair, you just have to select this button, and down here it will show you all the pairs that are available to be traded on the Binance exchange. If you want to trade a specific one, you would just click, say, BTC, and then it would come up with all the BTC ones. What I'm going to do today is I know that I have some yo-yo because I was just playing around and trading with this the other day. So I think I still have a little bit of that available. Yes, I do. So you can see that I have available yo-yo is 9,379 coins. You can see my BTC available here. You can see what's locked, and if it's locked and there's a figure in here, that means I've already got a strategy running and I'm unable to use that crypto. And you can see your total crypto here based on locked and available. So down on here, you can see, well, this is where you create your trading bot. So you can see the asset that you want to invest. So I haven't got BTC, I've only got yo-yo. So I'm going to be putting in a yo-yo amount there, and I'm gonna put in the full amount, and we're gonna trade it all. To be honest, I have no idea how much 9,000 yo-yo is, but I'm gonna put it in there, and we got a drag set stop loss feature here. I'm gonna put that to 25%, and then the expected profits from sell. Now, let's take a look at the graph and see how volatile it's been at the moment. So volatility is at 0.67. So I'm going, for this trade, I'm going to see if times that by 3. So 120, let's say 180. So I'm going to take profits every time the market goes up 180. I'm going to take profits from the sell, and in fact I'm going to do the same on a buy as well. So every time the profits go from, I'm going to take profits at 180 from a buy to, there we go, and choose assets to end with. I want to take my profits in BTC and the assets. So I'm going to try and get it to go in BTC. And here we've got lock-in profit levels. At the moment, it's set to 10% by default. You can either increase this all the way up to 100%, or you can take it down. And if you want to select multiple bots, other strategies also include like setting a 0.1% profit margin, and then you just have to keep coming in and restarting the bots that way. For this one, I'm going to take a 1%, and we've also got advanced setups as well. I'll go into that on another video, but you can see that you've got upper restart levels and lower restart levels, which you can turn on, turn off, and you can control that by there, but I will go into that in another video. So I'm going to go back to start, just make sure that everything's correct. All in there, set stop loss, expected profits on buy, sell, end in BTC, lock-in profits at 1%, and I'm happy with that, so I'm going to start the trading bot. Okay, and then we've got a pop-up that comes up saying new strategy, Binance Yo-Yo BTC. And then we just want to check the 10 steps here to make sure that we're happy and they're correct. And yes, they look right to me. And the fee for this is going to be 0.24, so it's going to be 24 cents USD to create this trade. And that's based on the lock-in profits of the 20% that Yanda charges on the credit option for making a trade. Now, remember, if this strategy doesn't profit, then Yanda is going to refund me that credit back to my account so as I can start another strategy, and fingers crossed that one will be profitable. Now, I just want to say that on the last time we checked, we did have a 97% trading success rate. So, for me, I'm quite happy in knowing that I'm going to get profits when I run this. Sometimes, yes, you do get a loss, but like I said, Yanda will return the automation fees back to you if you don't make the profit. If your trading strategy stops for whatever reason and you haven't made the exact profits, but you've made some profits, we'll return you the difference. And if you're lucky enough to make more profits than expected, so say I make 1.5%, which more than often does happen, that 0.5 is fee free, so we don't charge you anything extra on that one, so you just get a bonus of some extra credit. You've also got the option of sharing the strategy. I'm not going to share this one because it's a test one, and then you just click start this strategy now at the bottom. Don't refresh the page, it will do it automatically. And then you'll see as you scroll down to the bottom, open strategies, Yo-Yo BTC profits 0 at the moment. I can expand that and I can see that it is running. It started, the last fill was today, initial size, the splits. This I'll go into another video and explain to you how the actual trading system works. You can see it all on there. So the fill, sell, perfect. We've got the time there, it's gone straight in. If I want, I can just hit this button and terminate it. Obviously, I don't want to do that now. You can see the open orders and fills, and that's it. Now I'm just going to leave it for a few hours / days and see what it does. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we get some profits coming in pretty quick and it hits that 1% expected profits very quick, so I can come in and set another trade and make even more. All right, guys, if you've got any questions, write a comment in the bottom or join our Telegram channel, which I'll also leave a link to, or just email us at support@yanda.io, and one of the team will be happy to answer your questions and get you started. Until then, see you then.